Hello everybody, welcome to the first episode of the Leather Engine tutorial series. Now, in this series, I'm going to be showing you how to make mods with Leather Engine, just because people want to see how to do it, because it's kind of confusing if you've never done it before, since there's no in-game menus or anything yet. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the mods, like set up all the folders, and make a character. Alright, so let's get started. What we're going to do first is go to the Leather Engine GitHub page. In the description, I use GitHub because I don't really like Game Banana as much. Anyways, we're gonna be going here, pressing this, pressing save. Actually, I'm gonna press open because I like to just open it. We're gonna wait a second. It'll download. I'll cut to that. Alright, it's done downloading. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to it's done. Okay, and then we close up that. Then we can just turn on the game. In a second. There we go. Turned up. Alright. This is just base Leather Engine. Nothing, there's like these mods is the only mods. That's it. So we gotta make some, right? So first thing we're gonna do is go into mods folder. Copy and paste this. Alright, this is basically the part where we're gonna be making our mods folders. We're gonna set up everything. So basically I'm gonna call this the funny mod. I'm gonna call it the funny mod. And then we're gonna go into, okay, basically, there's a bunch of folders. This is what we're gonna be using. I'm gonna delete the fonts folder because I don't think we're gonna need that ever, but it's kind of there. And I'm gonna open Polymod Meta, which basically is just a little file that contains some of the metadata for your stuff. So what you do is you just put the name. This is the name that actually gets shown in game. The rest of it aren't shown in game yet, but I like to set them because I know in the future I'm gonna make them show up in game. So yes, it's very, very funny. Lator12888, and then yeah, and then API. I mean, this doesn't matter, but I just yeah. There we go. Okay, so now that's set up. We just gotta make. Well, I mean, we don't have to. You don't have to make an icon, but I like making an icon. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna resize this real quick to 150 by 150, even though it doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter what size it is because it'll always get put at 150 by 150. We'll just amazing. Wait. Orange. Amazing. And there you go. And then if we go to mods, it shows up. Perfect. Now that we've got that set up, well, I just realized how quick that was. You see how quick that was? That was pretty quick. Next part is adding a character. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna go to data, and then as you can see, there's no folders in here. What's up with that? Well, we have to make them. So we have to make the character data folder. And then we can, basically what I want to do here is, because I don't feel like manually writing out everything, I just realized that's, well, that's quite of annoyance. Well, what I'm going to do is, in the description, I'm going to provide the link to the dad's, folder stuff. It'll be in a link in the description, so don't worry about that. We'll just be going here, and then we paste it in, and then we're like, okay, well, what do we call it? I'm gonna call it rad. Why? I don't know. That's just what I thought of when I was thinking of this video, what I was gonna do. Okay, so we got all the offsets. I don't like that. And then we got this. We got two files. Now we have this. This is the config.json. It just like explains basically all the settings and everything. This doesn't matter actually. This is not used anymore. I should probably remove that. Anyways, so what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna make some sprites because I kind of need to do that. So yeah, I'll just be showing some sort of. Actually, I was gonna say time lapse. I think I'll just cut to when I'm done. Let me just like, and we're back now. I've finished my stuff, my amazing artwork. It looks great, I know. Anyways, so what we're going to be doing next, the next part of this, is just, putting the assets in the game. So we're going to be going to mods, this, shared, images, and then you're like, Alright, so do I put it in here? No. We need to put a characters folder in here. And then, just paste the assets in, I guess. And then we go to the config.json, remember that from earlier, you know, data, character data, the folder, and then that. Basically, you just change the image path to the name of the assets, and then, well, we're almost done, actually. All we need to do now is, I just know that's slightly different. All we need to do now is go to underscore append, data, and then, I'll just rename this file. You can make a new one if you want. I'll call it characterlist.txt. Just gonna do rad the funny mod. And you may be wondering, hey, why is there a colon there? The reason there's a colon is because basically in Leather Engine, characters are separated into groups because, well, at the time when I made the whole system, I didn't have scrolling drop downs. So, yeah. Anyway, so now we should be able to just, like, go into free play and then, just go to, like, fresh. And then, just select the funny mod and select rad. And now, you may have just realized, wait a minute, there's no icon. I have now just realized that too, but let's just see if this works. As you can see, for some reason, the right animation's broken. So, the logical step is to check the assets, because that's usually what's wrong. So let's see, where's the right animation? There it is. Dad sing note right. And what is it called here? The same thing, just with different spelling. So, I think all I have to do is restart song. And then... wait a second. Are those named incorrectly? I think those are named wrong. Okay, well, looks like for some reason for the dad sprites, I guess they're just inverted. I don't know why. Anyways, it should work now. There we go. That works better. Alright. Now we should just make an icon. So what I'm gonna do for this part is, really, I'm just gonna make some, actually I'm just gonna make some icons from scratch. So I'm gonna go in Adobe Animate. Alright guys, I'm back. I've decided that instead of doing that, we're just gonna copy and paste the icons. And then change the color a little bit. So we're first gonna need to make the icons folder, not all caps. It's to be all lowercase. Paste in the icons. Name it the character dash icons. I know it's slightly different from like Psych Engine or whatever, but it's fine. And then what I'm gonna do is just do a hue shift. So we're just gonna, yep, seems about right. And then we just change, actually, yeah, it looks right, yeah. There we go. Then we just gotta get the right color, so I'm just gonna color picker that, and then 107, 80, 255. And then if I refresh, kaplowy, we have icons. There we go. So you guys, that's it for today, and guess we'll see you guys in the next video. Hello everybody. I'm going to be showing you a little thing I just realized I didn't show you in the video. So basically you have this and you have animations that don't have these exact names. What you do is you go to animation, it's like name, this is sing left, which means the left, right? So you would find whatever animation it is in the XML. You have to get the XML name, so let's say with this, you would just Control C, Control V, and you're done. I just want to show that, and then there's the frame rate, and if the animation's looped or not. Should be pretty self-explanatory, and if you want to pick specific frames, then you can do this, and then you just do, you get the point. And that's about it. Oh, and yeah, if you want to make more animations, you just say, That's basically all you do to add extra animations. Yeah, just wanted to put this in here because I felt like I didn't explain it enough.